Hey there, tech-savvy seniors! Welcome to Master Video Calls, Senior's Guide to FaceTime, Zoom, and more. We're thrilled to have you join us at Senior Tech Simplified. If you're ready to conquer video calls and connect with loved ones like never before, you're in the right place. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities, from virtual family reunions to catching up with friends across the globe. With our easy-to-follow instructions and a dash of humor, we'll have you video calling like a pro in no time. So, grab your favorite gadget and let's embark on this exciting tech adventure together. At Senior Tech Simplified, we're passionate about empowering seniors to embrace technology. We believe that age should never be a barrier to staying connected, informed, and entertained in our increasingly digital world. Our mission is simple: to make technology accessible and enjoyable for everyone, regardless of their age or tech experience. We break down complex concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-understand pieces. Our YouTube channel is a hub for seniors to find helpful tutorials, reviews of the latest gadgets, and tips for staying safe online. We're dedicated to making technology less daunting and more delightful for seniors everywhere. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are video calling apps anyway? Well, imagine this. You're chatting with your grandkids, not just hearing their voices, but seeing their smiling faces in real time, all from the comfort of your living room. That's the magic of video calling apps. These nifty apps use your internet connection to let you see and talk to anyone else who has the app, no matter where they are in the world. It's like having a window to your loved ones' homes, instantly bridging the distance and making you feel closer than ever before. With video calling apps, you can share laughter, stories, and special moments with family and friends as if they were right there with you. So, get ready to say goodbye to distance and hello to more meaningful connections with your loved ones. You might be thinking, video calls sound great, but are they really that useful for me? Well, let us tell you, video calls can be a game changer for seniors. Firstly, they combat loneliness and isolation. Regular video chats with loved ones create a sense of connection and belonging, especially for seniors who might not be able to leave the house as often as they'd like. Have grandkids living across the country? Video calls let you see their latest milestones, from first steps to graduation ceremonies, keeping you involved in their lives no matter the distance. Join online book clubs, attend virtual museum tours, or participate in fitness classes. The possibilities are endless. From medication reminders to virtual doctor's appointments, video calls provide a convenient and accessible way to stay healthy and supported. Your video calling toolkit. Meet the apps. Now that you know why video calls are so amazing, let's introduce you to the all-star lineup of apps you'll master in this video. We'll be covering a range of popular choices: FaceTime, Skype, Messenger, Amazon, Echo Show, Zoom, and Google Meet. We'll also delve into WhatsApp, Facebook Portal, and Oscar Senior, specifically tailored for seniors with a simplified interface. Get ready to expand your video calling horizons. FaceTime connecting Apple users with ease. First up, let's talk about FaceTime. Now, if you or your loved ones are using an iPhone, iPad, or even a Mac computer, FaceTime is your new best friend. It's already built into these devices, which means no extra downloads or complicated setups. It's as easy as pie, just like apple pie, which, by the way, you can totally bake while on a FaceTime call. To find FaceTime, simply look for the app with a green icon and a white video camera. Once you open it, you'll see a list of your contacts who also use Apple devices. Just tap on the name of the person you want to call, and voila! You're ready to chat. And if you want to make things even easier, ask Siri to make the call for you. Just say, "Hey Siri, FaceTime," name of contact, and watch the magic happen. Skype and Messenger video calling veterans. Next, we have two video calling veterans, Skype and Messenger. Skype is known for its reliability and clear video quality, making it perfect for international calls or if you have a slightly slower internet connection. Plus, Skype lets you call landlines and mobile phones for a small fee, which can be handy if your loved one doesn't have access to the internet all the time. Now, if you're a Facebook enthusiast, then Messenger is your go-to app. Since it's integrated with Facebook, you can easily start a video call with any of your Facebook friends without having to switch apps. Both Skype and Messenger are available on a wide range of devices, from smartphones and tablets to computers. Now, let's talk about two apps with unique features that can be especially beneficial for seniors: Amazon Echo Show and Zoom. The Echo Show is like having a video calling command center right in your living room. It's a smart display with a built-in camera and microphone, so you can make and receive video calls hands-free. Just say, "Alexa, video call, name of contact," and you're good to go. Plus, with its large screen and adjustable volume, the Echo Show addresses some of the common challenges seniors face with smaller devices. Zoom allows up to 100 participants in a free meeting, perfect for those large family gatherings or catching up with friends all at once. You can even share your screen during a Zoom call, which is great for showing off photos, videos, or even getting technical help from a grandchild. Let's explore a few more options to round out your video calling toolkit: Google Meet, WhatsApp, Facebook Portal, and Oscar Senior. Google Meet is a reliable choice for both personal and professional calls. WhatsApp, known for its international reach, is a fantastic option for connecting with loved ones abroad. Facebook Portal is designed specifically for hands-free video calling, featuring a smart camera that follows you around the room, so you're always in the frame. And finally, there's Oscar Senior, an app tailor-made for seniors. Exploring these different platforms lets you find the perfect fit for your needs and preferences, connecting you with loved ones in a way that feels comfortable and enjoyable. Alright, now that you've met our all-star lineup of video calling apps, let's talk about how to actually join a call. Most of the time, you'll receive an invitation from the person hosting the call. This might come as a link in an email, a text message, or even a notification within the app itself. Once you've received an invitation, simply click or tap on the link, and it'll usually take you directly to the call. Sometimes you might need to enter a meeting ID or password to join the call. And remember, if you ever get stuck or have trouble joining a call, don't hesitate to reach out to the person who invited you. Hosting your own video chat. You're the star of the show. Now, how about hosting your own video call? That's right, you can be the director of your own virtual get-together. It's easier than making toast, we promise. First things first, choose the app you want to use. Once you've chosen your app, look for the option to start a new meeting or create a new call. Give your call a catchy title so your invitees know what to expect: Grandma's Virtual Birthday Bash or Family Coffee Chat. Now it's time to invite your guests. Troubleshooting tips, conquering common glitches. Now we know that technology isn't always perfect, and sometimes you might encounter a glitch or two along the way, but fear not, tech-savvy seniors. We've got your back. One common issue is poor audio or video quality. If you're having trouble hearing or seeing the other person clearly, the first thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a strong and stable Wi-Fi network. If that's not the problem, try adjusting the volume settings on your device or within the app itself. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use video calling apps, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Visual and auditory hurdles. When technology isn't senior-friendly, using video calling apps can be challenging for seasoned citizens. But hey, that's what we're here for. Let's talk about common hurdles and how to overcome them. Seeing clearly on small screens is tough. Tiny buttons and menus? Forget about it. Audio can be clear like a tin can on a string. And background noise? An Olympic sport, but fear not, we've got solutions. Technology should adapt to us, not the other way around. We deserve senior-friendly gadgets and apps. We'll keep sharing tips to help you navigate tech with ease. Cognitive challenges. Navigating the digital maze. Let's be honest. Sometimes keeping up with all the latest tech gadgets and apps can feel like learning a new language. It's like trying to follow a conversation in a foreign film. You catch a word here and there, but the gist of it goes right over your head. And with video calling apps, there are so many buttons, menus, and features that it can be overwhelming to say the least. It's like trying to find your way out of a digital maze. You might remember how to join a meeting one day, but the next day, it's like starting from scratch. And don't even get us started on those multi-step instructions. It's like trying to memorize a complicated recipe while juggling a dozen eggs. Something's bound to get scrambled along the way. But hey, we've all been there. Remember, it's perfectly okay to take things at your own pace and ask for help when needed. Technology should be empowering, not intimidating. So don't be afraid to hit that rewind button. Ask a tech-savvy friend or family member for guidance, or even join a local computer class. Now, even with the best intentions and a can-do attitude, sometimes external factors can make using video calling apps a bit challenging. For example, not all of us have access to reliable, high-speed internet. It's like trying to water a garden with a leaky hose. You might get a few drops here and there, but it's not enough for things to thrive. And let's not forget the cost of technology. Those fancy gadgets and unlimited data plans can put a dent in a fixed income. But beyond the technological hurdles, there are also social aspects to consider. Some seniors might feel a bit camera shy or self-conscious about using video calling apps, especially if they're not used to seeing themselves on screen. It's like having stage fright from the comfort of your own living room. And while video calls are a fantastic way to stay connected, they don't quite replace the warmth and intimacy of face-to-face interactions. Remember, it's important to acknowledge these challenges and find ways to bridge the digital divide. We need more affordable internet options, senior-friendly tech support, and perhaps most importantly, patience and understanding from loved ones. Let's explore solutions to make video calls easy for seniors. Embrace large screens. Forget tiny smartphone screens. Use tablets or computers with big monitors. It's like a panoramic window. Connect your device to your TV. Turn your living room into a virtual family reunion hub. See everyone's faces clearly. Big buttons and menus are easy to use. Assistive technology helps. Incredible tools make tech accessible. Adjustable headphones for better hearing. It's like having a personal sound engineer. Now, while technology plays a crucial role in facilitating those video calls, let's not forget the human element, the importance of family and caregiver support in making those virtual connections truly meaningful and enjoyable. Sometimes, the most valuable tech support comes from our loved ones. So, dear family members and caregivers, lend a helping hand. Or should we say, a tech-savvy finger. Help your senior loved ones set up their devices, troubleshoot any issues they might encounter, and offer patient guidance as they navigate the world of video calls. Remember, what might seem like a no-brainer to you could be a digital Everest for someone less familiar with technology. And let's make those family video calls something to look forward to. Instead of just catching up on the day's events, why not plan a virtual activity together? How about a family game night with online bingo or trivia, or a virtual movie night where you can watch a classic film simultaneously and share your reactions in real time? Congratulations, tech-savvy seniors! You've reached the end of our video calling crash course. You've earned a virtual high five. You're now armed with the skills to connect with loved ones like never before. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Think of video calling as your personal window to the world. If you ever hit a snag, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Be the first to know when we release new videos. Trust me, you won't want to miss them. Until next time, stay tech savvy, my friends. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Looking for more tech tips? Check out our other videos. Facebook 101, How to Stay Connected Without Getting Hacked. Best Smartphones for Seniors in 2025 Vertical Bar Easy-to-Use Phones. Avoiding Online Scams, How to Stay Safe on the Internet. Click on the links in the description below. Stay connected with us. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let's make tech easier, together.